Cleanse with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, impurities, and oil. And then go ahead and apply your gel primer. So you want a good mask-like layer. Apply it directly to the area that you're going to be lifting. To take your 5-minute lift to the next level, I'm going to show you some advanced holds. So turn your device on and place both spheres at the collarbone, slightly off center, and hold for 1 to 2 beeps. This is position 1. Moving to position 2, position 3, and position 4, holding each for 1 to 2 beeps. And then move up to the middle of the neck. Position 1, position 2, position 3, and position 4, holding each for 1 to 2 beeps. Now hold the spheres horizontally, right underneath that jawline. This is position 1, position 2, and position 3. And this really will contour that jawline. Now let's tackle those gels. Position 1, position 2, and position 3. Hold each for 1 to 2 beeps. These are the positions to pop the cheekbone. Position 1, position 2, and position 3. Hold each for 1 to 2 beeps. And on the forehead, here's position 1, position 2, position 3, and 4. Hold each for 1 to 2 beeps. Now complete your advanced holds on the other side. Remember to keep both spheres on the skin at the same time to keep the microcurrent flowing. And always start slightly off center. Tap in the remaining gel primer to enjoy those skincare benefits. And remember the NuFACE Fix to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It's the perfect finishing step to any NuFACE facial.